Struggling to organize your hosting or store? Your products are scattered and customers can't find anything. Watch this to fix it in minutes. So here's the deal. You've got all your products uploaded to your hosting or website, but right now they're just sitting there in one big messy list. That makes it really hard for shoppers to browse. They come looking for something specific like mugs or vases, and instead they have to scroll through everything you sell. Not great for business. But don't worry. In just a few minutes, we're going to turn that chaos into a clean, organized store with proper categories. First, we'll access your store's backend, then navigate to the Categories section, edit an existing category, and assign products to it. All right, let's jump in. Start by opening your site in the Hosting or Website Builder. This is the main editor where you design your entire site. If you're already logged into your Hostinger account, you'll find it under your website dashboard. Go ahead and click into that builder now. Now locate the shopping cart icon on the left-hand menu. It looks like a little shopping cart. That's your e-commerce hub. Click on it. Next, click on the Sell option. This is where all your store settings live. Your products, your inventory, your orders. You'll see it right near the top of that menu. Then select Categories from the list. This is the section that controls how your products are grouped together. Without categories, your store just feels like a giant bin of random stuff. So let's fix that. Choose the category you want to edit. Just click on it to highlight it. Maybe you already have a category called mugs or gifts, or maybe you just have a default one that says unremainings. Pick whichever one you want to work with. Now click the Edit button for that category. It should be right next to the name. This opens up the Details panel where you can actually make changes. You can now modify the category name or description. Maybe you want to rename it to something more specific like handmade coffee mugs instead of just mugs. Or you can add a short description so customers know what to expect. This is a nice touch that makes your store feel more professional. Next, assign products to this category. This is the key step. You'll see an option that says Assign Products. Click on that. A list of all your available products will pop up. Select the products you want to include. Just check the boxes next to the items that belong in this category. You can pick multiple products at once. Take your time here. Make sure you're only grabbing the ones that actually fit. Confirm your product selection. There should be a button that says Confirm or Apply. Click that to lock in your choices. Save the category changes. You'll usually see a Save button right there in the Edit panel. Give it a click. This might take a moment to process, so hang tight. Finally, save all changes to publish. And here's the really important part. When you're done editing in the builder, don't forget that final Save or Publish button at the top of the screen. If you skip this step, none of your changes will go live. That's an easy mistake to make, so just keep it in mind. And that's it. Your products are now organized into a proper category. Your customers will be able to browse your store without the frustration of digging through a giant list. If you have more categories to set up, just repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching and happy selling.